Here is a story about believe in yourself and your abilities, and the universe will conspire to help you succeed. In the quiet town of Ramapur, a young artist named Ram dreamed of painting the world in colors no one had seen before. His tiny studio was a kaleidoscope of unfinished canvases and scattered tubes of paint, each one a testament to his passion. But as the years passed, self doubt crept in like a shadow. Ram often found himself lost in thought, wondering if his dreams were too big. Maybe I'm not good enough, he thought, as the voice of doubt grew louder. One day, while wandering through the woods for inspiration, Ram stumbled upon an elderly woman sitting by a bubbling stream. She smiled warmly and said, "You carry the weight of doubt, don't you?" The woman handed Ram a small polished stone. "This is a wishing stone," she said, "not because it grants wishes, but because it reminds you to believe in yourself, trust your abilities, and the universe will conspire to help you." That night, Ram decided to pour his heart into his painting without worrying about perfection. He painted until dawn, creating a vivid masterpiece that captured the emotions he had always struggled to express. Encouraged by his breakthrough, Ram entered his painting into a local competition. To his surprise, his work not only won, but caught the attention of a renowned gallery owner. "Your work speaks to the soul," the owner said. "I would like to showcase it in my gallery." Years later, Ram returned to the stream to thank the woman, but she was nowhere to be found. Instead, he found a small carving on a tree. "Believe, and the universe will conspire." Ram smiled, his heart full of gratitude. He knew now that the stone hadn't been magical. His belief had been the magic all along.